Hello everybody and welcome to another Tech Minute video. My name is Tom from 6 Foot Networks. Thank you for joining me today in my office. 2 days ago there was a 0-day vulnerability discovered on Apple's side of things where the vulnerability allowed full unfettered control of a device without any sort of clicks, confirmations or whatnot. So in an effort to mitigate that, Apple released a patch that should be installed way sooner than later. And I hope by the time you're viewing this video, you would have heard about this and already taken care of your systems. Now, just to be clear and transparent, the updates that you want to install would be iOS 14.8, macOS version 11.6, and WatchOS 7.6.2. Those are the three key players right now that were affected by that vulnerability. If you're part of the beta program, a subsequent beta release will take care of this issue for you and any others that may come up between now and its release. In the meantime, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Leave a comment down below. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you really like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, as it really does help create more content like this for you. In the meantime, good luck and have a great rest of the week. Thank you for watching.